Welcome back to my HQ. You look so excited to be here. You'll be creating portraits of yourselves.
They're going to be hanging in your hallways. Considering that you guys are the subjects, we thought we'd help you out with some artists.
It was the All-Stars from 2019 there.
Surprise! It is the class of 2019 who are coming back as your artists in the All-Stars Art Class Challenge.
After your All-Stars have painted you today, they are going to be painting with you at the block for the rest of the week, the All-Stars.
So Luke and Jasmin, you're going to be hanging with your WA counterparts, Matt and Elise. Queenslanders, Jimmy and Tam, you're with the former champs from Cairns, Tess and Luke. Sarah and George, you're going to have your agent, of course, Jesse, and his powerhouse partner, Mel. Harry and Tash, you're going to be hanging with Mitch and Mark, and that means that Daniel and Jade, you're going to be working with Andy and Deb.
All right, it is judgment time.
House one, let's go.
I think the composition and balance is absolutely incredible. That's pretty amazing.
It is. We love it.
That's fantastic.
Thank you.
I can sort of see the maths in there. The colours, like they're sort of bright colours that we haven't seen in your house.
Daniel and Jade.
So the colours are very soft.
Yeah, very happy with the colours.
Definitely fits into that Art Deco feel for sure.
For this to go in the hallway, we've got some nice black frame steel doors going in. And then, of course, that's the name of our house.
I can see the profiles are almost perfection. Great composition, and the colours really say you.
Yeah.
The winner is... Mel.
Our all-star teams have a Suncorp card that is locked and loaded with a cheeky $1,000 so they can buy you a gift for your household. It's a new day on the block, and our 2019 Blockheads are wondering just what's going on.
Am I the only person up on the block this morning? In the whole block? Okay. Where is everybody?
This is like the day after tomorrow-ish type of thing. Where, like, the bomb hit, then there was nothing.
We've been down to get breakfast because there's not much going on around site just yet. So, we're ready to go. There doesn't seem to be a big sense of urgency, but we're behind.
Yeah.
Mitch and Mark are still worried about the amount of work to be done.
I don't think they realise how much they've got to do.
They are lovely people.
Yeah.
They procrastinate. Hi, Pages.
Absolutely.
Seriously?
We're going to have to spend the money or they're not going to finish. If we can do that, we can get something done.
The Charles Brothers, there you go. It's bloody Charles Brothers. That's Jason.
It's Jason.
Hiya.
Ah, look at me, you boy.
We've brought something for you.
How are we? And you've got a bathroom upstairs that you've got to deal with at some point.
Yesterday afternoon at the challenge, we were given the opportunity to present you with a $1,000 gift. Those boys are your $1,000 gift.
Oh, thank you.
How good is that?
Thank you very much.
That is amazing.
Thank you.
Here we go again, back on the block. You guilty.